Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set your own photo on iPhone widget. If you're using any iPhone and you want to set your own photo as your iPhone widget, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep a long press on any empty place on your iPhone home screen, then tap on this edit option in the top left corner. Once you have select, you have to look for the widget option here. Here's the add widget. Simply select that option, and from here you just have to look for photos. Here's the photo. Simply select that, and from here you just have to select the widget which you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one. So you just have to keep a long press on the widget, and then you can easily add it to your home screen. And once you have that, simply tap on the widget, and from here you have to go back and select library and select the photo which you want to set as your home screen photo widget. In my case, I'm going to select this one. So you just have to keep a long press on it, and here you have to select add to favorite, and once you have that, just go back and here select, and now you have to select this widget. So in this way you can easily set any widget or photo on your home screen widget in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.